your pole. The first thing you will need to do is remove one of your end caps or finials, which can easily be done as so. Then, if using a wall bracket, there is a back plate that can be screwed off. This has 3 screw holes across the top and 1 at the bottom to give a good secure fit. This would get screwed to the wall. There is a screw within the actual back of the bracket which would be lined up and then screwed onto the back plate once that's been fixed to the wall. The metal bush that goes inside here would be removed. And that is placed in the channel along the top of your track. Once your bracket's been fixed to the wall and your bush is inside the track would be lined up with the screw that's coming down the centre of the bracket. Once that's lined up, the screw can then be inserted and tightened to secure the bracket to the pole. This can be left loose to allow some manoeuvrability with the bracket, or just tightened to securely fix it. The top fix bracket is secured slightly differently. This would be screwed directly through this hole to the ceiling. The lever arm would be facing forward and would be slotted into that channel once the bracket is fixed to the ceiling, and the lever would just be slid 90 degrees clockwise to secure to the track. That's how to fix the brackets. Once that's done, you can easily place the end cap back on and tighten to secure. Thank you.